What is programming? Let's find out what the kids think. Michaela, come here.
Okay.
I'm in the kitchen. Where you at? Come here.
Um.
I have a question for you. What is programming?
Programming is like you type in something on your phone or on a tablet or on your computer or on wherever you want.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Wrong, William. Okay, what's your answer? William, come here. Come here. I have it. You got to talk. I have a video I'm recording. It's gonna go on YouTube. We're answering the question, what is programming? What do you think? Let me turn this off real quick. Okay, it means my cookies are done. What is programming, William?
Programming is when you're typing and making a game using type of codes.
Okay, good answer. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. So you heard it from the kids. Good answers, very good answers. But when you think of programming, a really good example, I'm actually cooking right now. Give me a second here. Really great example that I use all the time. I'm the general manager for the Coder School, where we teach kids and adults to code. And my go-to example is Legos. Believe it or not, Legos is I think the best example of what programming is. Programming is commonly done with coding, but it's not always coding. When a child builds something out of a Lego, they have just programmed. That would be their first venture into programming, to be honest with you. Because with Legos, you put things together, put the bricks and the pieces together to create your own idea and your own piece of program, in a sense. So it's like dancing. Whether you're coming up with a new dance, you're dancing, or whether you're doing the floss from Fortnite, that's a dance that already exists. You're still dancing, and that's the same thing with programming. Whether you're building something new, you're programming. But even when you're not, if you're just modifying something that already exists, you're programming. Okay, so when you download your favorite MMORPG or your other favorite games out there, Fortnite, Overwatch, name some of my favorites, Overwatch, Anthem, and you're setting up your keys and configuring your key bindings. Essentially what you're doing is also programming. The game already exists, the settings are already there, but you're modifying it, you're programming it to your likings. So in the same concept with coding, you're taking functions, you're taking variables, you're taking classes and methods, and you're putting them together to create or modify a new or existing program. The limit to this is your imagination. Just like with Legos, they're made to clip to each other, and you may find one or two of them that has maybe a wheel on it, and that one can clip and is able to provide mobility. So it can move and it can clip. So it has two functionality in that sense. And then the other ordinary Legos have that one functionality, which is the clip. And now you take all those pieces of Legos and you say you want to build a car. Now this is where the problem solves and comes in, because you have to figure out that unique way of putting them together to form a car and having the wheels being exactly where you need them to be, or those Lego bricks that can attach wheels to being exactly where you want them to be. Just like in coding, you have all your pieces of Lego, aka pieces of code, that does their own individual things, like this Lego clicks. This function, is a return value. This function is a setter or a getter. I need a variable here. I need a loop here. I need a while loop here. You use all those, my try catch, exceptions. You use all those and you work it out. This is the problem solving part. You work it out. The logical thinking and problem solving, working it out into forming exactly what you desire, your idea, bringing that idea to life. So, next time someone asks you what programming is, you say, first of all, it's commonly done with coding, but programming is really taking pieces of maybe you can say pre-existing things that exist, pre-existing pieces of puzzle, putting them together into creating something new or modifying something that already exists. Ah, let me know what your thoughts on what is programming. Maybe leave a couple of interesting ideas, comments in the comment of great example of a time that you program without coding. Catch you later. Coding Noob out.